All right, day off outside of St. Louis. Myself and Nathan. Hello, Nathan.
Hi.
We're going to get some lunch at a Mexican Tex-Mex place.
Yep.
3.5 stars out of 5. I would say for tourist standards, that's not bad. And it's inside of a fancy mall. I'm seeing a Saks Fifth Avenue. Do you want to get some suits today?
Yeah. There's pillars on this mall.
Yeah, there's pillars. You'll see them shortly. But I thought it'd be fun to, this is kind of what a day off on the outskirts of a city looks like. Here we go. Kind of feels like we're walking into Graceland in Memphis.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any Elvis stuff here outside of St. Louis in the mall, or especially in Saks Fifth Avenue. Maybe he was a big fan, I don't know. So this is pretty exciting. Sat down at this Tex-Mex place in the mall, but we didn't realize they were going to seat us like in the mall. So we just get to watch shoppers go by while we eat some tacos. We finished our lunch in the mall. Nathan, what'd you think?
Better than I expected.
Yeah. They had these interesting chips. Are there any left in here?
I think I ate the last
You might have. That's like this. We're like, oh, what are these like deep fried chips? And we're like, oh, these were good, kind of sweet, which is weird. Then we asked the server, and she said that they're basically wontons at a Mexican restaurant, but they were good. So Nathan has opted to stay in the mall for some reason. I told him he better come out with a really fancy suit, otherwise I'll be very disappointed. But yeah, good lunch. Sat next to some elderly folks, so it definitely felt like we were at a senior citizens lunch or something. Nothing wrong with that. It was just interesting, and we were, like I showed, kind of out in the mall eating, but pretty solid. So I'm gonna walk back to the tour bus, and I got to write a song today because I'm in a songwriting group with some friends, and a song is due on Friday. Today is Monday, and I only have today and tomorrow. So I guess I get to show a little bit of that process, because I'm sure everyone's dying to hear me sing. But greetings from the back lounge of the bus. Still on a day off here outside of St. Louis, and this is another thing that happens is musicians will write songs on the road, and you find any place you can to record a demo or write at all. And so this is where I'm at. This is like ancient now. It's probably laughable in regards to the kind of interfaces that are out there today. I think everyone out here has like an Apollo, which is like a nice one. I don't have an Apollo. I've got that guy, but it works, and that's all I care about. So yeah, I just sit back here, and since it's an off day too, most everyone flew home to see their families, except for myself, Chad, the drummer, and our guitar tech, Nathan, who you met earlier. When we had our nice dining adventure in the mall. But yeah, I'm a part of a songwriting group with a few friends, and we write a song every week. And so that means if you're on the road or not, anytime, almost every week of the year, minus maybe the holidays, somebody sends out a prompt or a phrase, and that rotates every week, and then we have to write a song with that included. So for example, this week the phrase was ebb and flow. Of course, I cannot think of that phrase and immediately Even Flow by Pearl Jam is in my head. So I had to write something to get that out of my head. But the good news is I wrote and recorded a demo in about 3 hours. So probably not my best. Actually, I know it's not my best. But the whole point of a game like this is to exercise that muscle, that writing muscle that a lot of people have. And I'm someone that, was always a band member or a side guy, where I would maybe just write music and stuff like that, and not really a lyricist. About 10 years ago, I started doing solo stuff, and back then it would take me like a year to write like 5 songs, and take every bit of guts I had in my body to basically put it out to the public. It's a scary thing, but time goes on and you keep writing and you get more comfortable with it, and then now I'll send this song to 7 other people in my songwriting group and copy and paste the lyrics into an email, and I don't even care, like, if about, you know, we don't do, like, you know, criticisms of each other. We just kind of, the sending of the lyrics thing is more of like a confidence builder. Like, hey, I'm not embarrassed of these. I can send them to other people to read. And, you know, so a song like I did today, I wrote a tune called, what is it called? I already forgot. Have I Got Time? I guess, like, it's weird. Sometimes I'll write songs and I'm not really sure what it's about until I finish it, or maybe even way later. So this one I just started writing. I obviously I was thinking of the phrase ebb and flow. So I wrote around that. But yeah, at first I started writing lines down. I'm like, I don't know what I'm writing about. And then as I kept going, I'm like, oh, this is kind of cool. And essentially I wrote a song about, like, you know, being on the road for the last 25 years, and do I still want to do this, and, you know, is there still time to achieve these musical goals that I have? And so I don't know, whatever it means, I wrote it, and it's done, and that's the point, is to finish the song, which is fun. So yeah, this is just another little glimpse into what happens on days off on tour. And since there's only 3 of us on the bus, there's a lot of space, and, you know, I can kind of take over the back lounge and have the time to myself to write this stuff. So anyways, that's it for tonight. I think I'm gonna go chill out and watch a movie or something in the front lounge of the bus, because Nathan's got Netflix going up there. So, but yeah, this is kind of a boring area, not much around. This is the view. Exactly. It's literally just like a hotel. Kind of looks castle-ish. That person's car, whoever that is. Yeah. And there's not much happening here, unfortunately. But that's okay. It's been a long 5 days and, like, really hot. We were just in Texas for like a week with days off and shows, and everyone's just kind of tired and burnt out. And so it's good to have a day or 2 off in a row, which we have today and tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll be in the Chicago area, so I'm looking forward to that. Might hang out with a friend. You never know what's going to happen. But yeah, that's all for now. See you tomorrow, I guess. Another day off and lunch, and this is Jason. Jason plays one of the opening bands, Artie. Arlie. I said Artie. You're so arty, man. Arlie, and they're rad. And he lives in Chicago, so he came to pick up me and Nathan. It's turning out that Nathan's my lunch buddy. And we're eating some delicious Mexican food, although I had to send mine back.
I'm so sorry about that. That was completely our fault.
Oh, no, it's
We're making it
awesome. Thank you so much. I had to send my food back. They put something in I didn't want. And I hate doing that. It drives me insane. Does that make you feel weird?
No, it's fair. And, like, it was just a mistake, like a good mistake.
I always just feel guilty, or I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna enjoy our lunch. Hey guys, the 7-string guitars are over here.
7?
I think I found the bass of my dreams. Green on green? I mean, it's a Ninja Turtle bass right there. Find anything cool?
Dude, it's a Squire piece.
Yeah.
Why does it look so nice?
Yeah. It's like
Squire makes cool stuff.
It's solid.
Like these. Downtown Asheville, North Carolina. One of my favorite day off cities and show cities. It's one of my favorite cities in the US, hands down. Stopped at a place called Farm Burger, real good. And I'm just gonna venture out, go to some record stores. I wanted to go to Heyday Music, but they're closed on Mondays. What the heck, guys? I want to check out guitars, but it should be a nice day out. Pretty excited. This is gonna fulfill the day off episode. Yeah, that's all I got. Excuse me, sir, you're blocking the sidewalk.
Oh my gosh.
Can you please get out of my way?
Oh man, this is awkward.
It's really awkward.
I work with you.
I'm just trying to go for a stroll.
I work down the hall from you. I mean, it's me in marketing.
John?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, no.
Oh, I'm so
You're
sorry.
up and creative. I get it. You got...
Asheville, North Carolina, one of my favorite cities in the country, like overall. I love it here. Get to spend a day off here today, walk around. It's a very walkable city, which is awesome. But I'm gonna hit up a couple record stores, Static Age and Voltage, I think it's called. See if they got any goodies. Closed on Mondays. I just want to buy like 10 guitars, that's all. Ubered to a park, brought some things, a hammock, water bottle, speaker. Just gotta find a spot to string up the hammock and hang by this river. I think it's gonna be nice. I walked around the town, did the record store stuff, and I just wanted to come out here and hang out by myself and find a little secluded spot to string this thing up. So let's see if I can find one. I am now hammocking it up in French Broad State Park, River Park. French Broad River Park. Recommended by Nathan, who you met at the beginning of this video. And yeah, I thought it'd be fun just to kind of get out and chill by myself and rock back and forth like I'm doing right now. Like a baby. No, it's just nice to get away sometimes and be alone and get as close to nature as you can. But it's really beautiful here, obviously, because it's Asheville, and North Carolina is a beautiful state. And I am definitely stoked to have a day off here. I'm gonna just lounge around here for a little while, and then I think everybody's meeting at a New Belgium brewery tonight. Food truck there, get some beverages, and just hang out, have like a family style hang. But in the meantime, I think I'm just gonna chill here for a while. I might take a nap, I don't know. I appreciate you watching these videos. There's not a lot of you that do, but I don't care. It's fun to do on the road. It gives me something extra creative to do since I'm not playing an instrument on this tour. I just like filming stuff and editing and putting it out there and letting people get a glimpse into the life of someone like me. You know, touring musician, photographer, someone that travels constantly, living out of a suitcase. And yeah, I think it's fun. So I appreciate whoever's watching, that you are watching. It means a lot to me. And yeah, I'm gonna keep doing these. I got some good records today, so maybe the next video will be a video, you know, showing what I got at the record stores or something. Or I need to do a little unboxing video for my new GoPro because I still haven't used it. It's been like 2 weeks since I got it. I've just been so busy on this tour. I just haven't. I technically took it out of the packaging, but it's still in its carrying case. Still like plastic around everything. So maybe an unboxing video for the Hero 12 coming up. We'll see. But anyways, hope everyone's doing well and taking care of yourselves and your families and your loved ones. And yeah, see you next time.